The Services section displays the currently configured services for this specific group, along with their respective intervals. Here, you have the option to add new services or link existing ones as required. To add a new service to the group, select the plus icon in the toolbar. Make a selection from a drop-down list of services that can be added to this category. The displayed services will only include those that have not yet been added to this group. Please select a service to proceed. Click on the Add button to add the service to the group. When you add a new service, previously configured baseline information is automatically transferred, so you don't have to re-enter it for categories using the same servicing details. If a category needs the service at a different interval, you can easily edit the servicing information at category level. The updated servicing configuration allows you to connect services into a structured hierarchy, ensuring they are completed in a defined sequence. For example, to integrate service B with service C, giving service C priority, click the three dots next to the service that should take precedence and select Edit. Tap on the parent service and a list of applicable services will be displayed. In this example, we aim to select service C as the parent for our service B in this category. Please select the applicable service to proceed and then use the back arrow when done. The table now shows the parent service of the modified service. The newly added service will take priority over the linked service, leading to the suppression of the linked service and any lower tier services. If services are not linked, they will be treated independently and elevated as needed. This training guide empowers users with the essential skills needed to effectively manage all aspects of equipment maintenance using Kynection web and mobile app.